grater, grater, potato masher, potato masher, funnel, funnel.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एम टू टीच, जहां मैं आपको टीच करूंगी और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नॉलेज लेने की कोशिश करूंगी।
Today I'll teach you some kitchen vocabulary. So let's start. Apron, apron, blender, blender, bottle, bottle, ball, ball, bottle opener, bottle opener, butter knife, butter knife, cake slicer, cake slicer, chopsticks, chopsticks, calendar, calendar, microwave, microwave, cutlery, cutlery, ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop, sandwich maker, sandwich maker, whisk, whisk, casserole dish, casserole dish, cutting board, cutting board, funnel, funnel, dish rack, dish rack, egg slicer, egg slicer, deep fryer, deep fryer, garlic press, garlic press, kitchen paper, kitchen paper, kettle, kettle, waffle maker, waffle maker, stove, stove, grater, grater, jar, jar, fork, fork, knife, knife, knife set, knife set, cleaver, cleaver, kitchen scissor, kitchen scissor, kitchen towel, kitchen towel, jug, jug, baking gloves, baking gloves, lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer, matchbox, matchbox, measuring cup, measuring cup, fry pan, fry pan, ladle, ladle, spatula, spatula, perforated spoon, perforated spoon, sieve, sieve, peeler, peeler, rolling pin, rolling pin, toaster, toaster, sponge, sponge, scale, scale, dishwasher, dishwasher, fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher, broom, broom, teapot, teapot, plate, plate, cup and saucer, cup and saucer, refrigerator, refrigerator, glass, glass, kitchen sink, kitchen sink, pestle and mortar, pestle and mortar, tongs, tongs, wok, wok, butter dish, butter dish, mug, mug, kitchen cabinets, kitchen cabinets, rubbish bin, rubbish bin, dining table, dining table, pressure cooker, pressure cooker, saucepan, saucepan, baking tray, baking tray, salt and pepper shaker, salt and pepper shaker, measuring spoon, measuring spoon, pizza slicer, pizza slicer, spice container, spice container, thermos, thermos, potato masher, potato masher. So these are some kitchen vocabulary words to enhance your knowledge. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. It's me signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.